These are the commands which we completed in a starting only. Okay, so first one is uname space -r. Now, what is this command for? Kernel version. You want to know what is your kernel version? This is the command. Okay, and also we seen IP space addr. Okay, ifconfig. These two commands to know your IP address. Both commands for IP address. One more command is there, that is nmcli. Okay, try this one also. So I am telling like this, guys. So one shot you can able to do all the commands at a time. In next also we'll tell some more commands. Actually after that only if I tell it's like a one single shot only. But now one just will tell first. These are the IP address related commands. But basic commands. So come to the when you got a Linux. So what are the basic commands we can able to use it. First one is like a date. Know your date command. Date if you want to do with a different format and so plus symbol, and then you have to give the options like a d percentage month percentage y like this, and a lot of options are there. I'm not going with the complete date details kind of stuff. Just go with the date hyphen help. Okay, so you can find what is d, what is m, what is b, what is y, like that you can find it. Next, cal. It will show you the calendar of a current month. Calendar of the current month. Next, cal 2022. It means 2022 calendar. That's what it is. Calendar. 1 second. It's a calendar. Shows current month. It will shows 2022 year calendar. Okay, like this. Which year you want in 1947 or yeah, you can see 1947 calendar. Also you can see like I want to see 8 2022. Okay, it means August 2022 month calendar. Okay, so this is about a date and time and calendars. Next one is displaying. This is also displaying echo command. For example, hello display message. Whatever it is, it will display the message. It repeat the message. It display what are the written in the echo, and also it will display the comments also. Like if you put it in a like this today, now the time is, you can put a like a today. Today is it is easy. So dollar date compulsory quotations. Also you can execute the commands. This is echo command. Who displays, okay, who are connected to Linux server. Server means Linux machine. Who am I? Current login user. Current means login user. Information is like a login user. Current login user. Mm, anything else? But it list directory content. From starting, I'm telling. Only commands. Okay. Yes. What is PWD? You guys, you also help me. It's not a one-way traffic. Repetition means it is a two-way traffic, compulsory two-way traffic. What is PWD?
Present working directory.
Present working directories.
Very good. Present working directory or a current working directory. Present working directory. And what is
CD.
create? Very good. So how to create? That's
Create
file
an
one.
empty.
Create a empty file. Host name. What is the use of host name command? Host name only. Okay. Your system or a Linux machine host name space -s host name space -i. Okay, these are other two options. Okay, bash commands already I explained. That is, bash command means command option argument. Sometimes you will give a command only command. Sometimes you'll give a command and argument. Sometimes you should give a option. Depends upon the command and the outcome you will get it. For example, date only command we give it, and date with options we give it. Host name with options we are given. Okay, arguments we are given, like that it will be there. Okay, PWD only command, we don't give much options. These are the help commands: man, info, pinfo, help, F1, press F1 to get help, like that. Next one is cat. Use it to read file content. Some people are guys, usually in interviews they will ask questions like, what is the difference between cat and ls? Also cat and ls. Sometimes they will ask, what is the difference between cat and touch? Okay, so this is a type of questions, cat and ls differences. Ls lists the directory content. The directory contains so many files. Cat display the file content. Okay, like this. The cat and touch. Touch is to create an empty file. Cat is to read the file content. And also use the cat. Yesterday we discussed about a redirection. Cat with the redirection technique, we can able to read the file, able to add the file, something into the file content. So this is for create and replace. Create or a replace. No. Creating file or replace content in file. So that is cat double greater file one. It also create a file. Okay, it will also create file if file is not there, but it is append. If file is not existing, it will create. append data to existing file. So that is a compulsory. Yes, sir. Okay, this one. So, but it will kill lot of time because we discussed lot of comments also.
Yes, sir.
Understanding or not?
Sir, can we? How do you replace a file name itself? Only using the move command only.
Which command?
Replace a file name itself.
You want to rename the file?
Yeah, rename the file itself.
Yeah, you can use mv command.
Only move command.
I'm not saying like that. You can use mv command to rename the file. Maybe there is a command, multiple commands are there. In Linux, guys, for one task, multiple commands are there. That's why I showed yesterday, head tail, using head tail, we can get a one single line because you know head, you know tail, and you know pipe. And one single line we got it using what you know. Okay. And also use a sed command, sed command to display single line, the particular line. Okay. So in both ways you got output. The important question is what output I want to get it. So based on that, what command you should use it. It is purely up to you only. Okay. That is. So in Linux, there is a several commands are there. Several commands are there. So version. Okay. So you can put it like otherwise rename file.
Actually, I searched for it. We have to install something yum yum command.
Yum is a repository kind of stuff.
How to install that to rename command to work?
If you want a like this mv, you want to use it. It is straightforward. You want a specific commands. If it is not there in your PC, then the package you have to install. The relevant package you have to install.
Okay.
Okay. Like is a Ubuntu PC. Guys, remember apt get. It's a Ubuntu PC. Okay. DNF is a new Red Hat kind of stuff. So different one. DNF. Rename, rename, rename like this. It is there. This is the package. If you install, then these commands may work. Like rename commands may work. So he is renaming directly a rename command. Okay. So there are a lot of packages. Linux is open source. Lot of contributors. Lot of developers are there. Okay. It does not mean, sir, this command is not there. It's not there. Okay. That's actually good thing. You're searched and you understand. So why I got this very big message? Someone put a only hi. That's it. No, not required. Okay. So what is mkdir? Create directory. Okay. So yum we will learn anyway. Okay. Creating directory. mkdir data one like that we can able to create. I'm not going to think so. Multiple directories you can create it. Directory to directory inside we can able to create it also. mkdir data one. cd. What is the use of cd?
Directory.
Change directory. Very good. cd dot dot.
Previous.
Go to one step back. Actually, one step back. One step back. Okay. One step back. So compulsory PWD you should use it. You know, cd like this. cd space tilt. Okay. Or a cd, only cd. Just a cd. Okay. Go to users home directory. users home directory. Okay, so like that. There is a paths are there. I didn't go to the paths today. I should tell the paths. The paths, then once you're done, we will add it, that one also. Okay, absolute path, relative path, compulsory path, guys. That is very important. CD completed. So CP. Okay, CP, copy file. So you can copy a file to a data1 directory. So this is CP file. CP, copy file or a directories or a folders. We use it like a copying file1 to data1 directory. Okay, meaning is copy file1 to file1 file to data1 directory. CP file1 file11 is a copy file1 file to file11 file. That is the meaning. Okay, and if you want to copy a directory, like a CP data1 directory to data2 directory, or somewhere directory is there. Want to copy, it won't copy. So compulsory we required a recursive -r. You should give -r. If you want to give f, also it is f. F is completely optional. If required, then only you can copy data1 directory into data2 directory. Okay. -r, it is recursive. Okay. -t, no, -f means force. Okay, that is the options name. Guys, if in case by tomorrow I am unable to complete anything, if I have any relative videos, I will give it to you. Okay, like a compression, tab, those things. So many videos are there. You can also try by watching the video. Okay, it is not like that you cannot able to do it. Otherwise, I have to explain. Trainer has to explain. Then only I can do it. No. So you already learned the basics. You already learned the basics. The only thing is you should start working on the Linux. Then only you can easily learn. Okay. This Saturday we'll see. Depends upon the situation. Okay, this depends upon my location. Okay, this is the copy. What is mv? Mv is a command for a move or rename. Rename files and.
Sir, after Linux, any other topics to?
But it is.
After Linux, any topics to explain, sir? Or only Linux it will be stopped?
No. Today, tomorrow is Linux should be completed. Actually, are given 5 days with administration, and also we'll complete a Linux. Okay, if you need any specific topic, then also I will cover in between. If in case if you are 11 and 12 batch or any previous topic or missing parts, you can tell me. Later, so Madhu sir also will schedule from Monday any batch or any adjustment.
No, sir. Any new topics is to explain, sir, or only
Which one?
Linux is the last topic?
For 11 and 12.
Yes, sir.
Is topics are all the topics are completed? Any pending is there? Please tell me. I don't know, na.
Only middleware is pending, sir.
Okay, middleware is pending. Okay, just once Friday or Saturday or maybe on Sunday, Okay, put a message to in a group only, sir. Is any topics are pending? What about a middleware? Very simple, right? Okay, don't put me blank message. Okay, understand, right? So
Okay, sir.
if you got a list of the topics, if anything is not covered, so ask me. This is the topic. Okay, so this is the topic should become. Okay? I don't have an idea that is middleware we should take or not. Okay, that's it. Very good. Okay, move for a renaming also. For example, I have a file one. Okay, I have a file one is there. For example, I want to rename with a file 12 or a 111. So I am just renaming or renaming or replacing file 11 file with file 11. Okay, file 11. So this is very simple, right? Same thing. I have a data one. I want to replace with data 11. Same thing. Rename or replace data 11 data 1 dir to dir. Okay, so this is about a renaming part. Moving file 1 data 1, we are already done, right? So data 2, for example. Okay, so move file 1 to data 2 directory. Okay, move data 1, so data 2 data 3 directory. The directory must be created, guys, before we are moving. Okay, so check the commands, guys. Sometimes when you do a certain command, the directory or a file will be created. Sometimes the file or a directory should be created earlier, then only we can do it. So check those differences, then do it. Okay, put like this. If you put like this, meaning is move data 3 content, not data 3, content, data 3 content to data 4. Only content to content copy is there. Okay, so this is all about your moving. Copy, move, creation of directory, creation of file we seen. Yeah, here it is. If you need more extra, then also we'll add it. I think you know cat very well. Cat greater file name file 1 and put it. This is file 1 file. Put a ctrl control plus D. That is a command, not a typing one. So then it will save. And compulsory verify that one. Okay. When you put a cat double greater file 1 and add this is new line to file 1. Again ctrl plus D. Okay. When you put a cat command file 1, so both the lines will be there. Appending. First line will be there. Second line also will be there. Just for a sampling purpose only, I'm giving this one. This part I will cut in a description box. You know why? Because of the greaters not acceptable. These things. These things it won't accept in a description. This is only for us only, right? I will share the file anyway. What is the another command? Remove files. RM. It's a
So
command.
is there the chance to choose the content, sir?
Which content?
Move content.
Yeah, you want to move
Yeah,
a particular file in the directory, not all files.
only file. Okay, sir.
One second. Move data 3 content. Actually, all. Okay, very good. So star represent entire data. But you want to move only a particular file, like a f11 data for. So you are moving f11 in data 3 directory to data 4 directory. Only file. Move f11 file in data 3. Okay, in data 3 you have a f11 file and you are moving to data 4 directory. Okay, you're moving to data 4 directory. Okay, only one single file, not all files. Okay, very good. Move data 3, for example, f 1.5. Practically also you can implement, guys, but only thing is you have to create it first. First create a files in a data 3, then only you can do it. Okay, so you can create it first and do it. So practically also you can implement. That's why I am going f move f1 f2 f3 f4 f5 files from data 3 to data 4 directory. Okay, so like this also you can also file card mask kind of stuff, different ways you can able to do it. Okay, practical also you can do it. That's why I'm giving a clear text and explanation. Don't let me down in a mainly Linux and networking and Windows backup. So whatsoever it is. Okay, so move, remove or delete. So I should receive a good feedback on a Linux. Okay, move or delete files in generally. Okay, in generally we are deleting files for it. For example, rm file 1, delete a file. Sometimes you require a rm file 1 or a file 2 -f. Already I told -f means remove file 2 with force. You don't ask anything. Yes, very good. Next, how to delete a directory? rm dir remove or delete directory. Which directory? Empty. You have to guys, whenever you read this thing or when you are practicing, so do like this is always first of all you are going now, you are learning now, so then you are doing command and what it is. So next time means maybe today evening or afternoon or after some time or maybe on Sunday, what you will do, read this thing and read this thing reverse, read this it and read the command. Okay, this is the command and what is the command. Okay, this is the command and what is this command. I'm writing like that. But next time you are reading, read this thing first and look at this one. So this is the scenario, this is the question, this is an answer. Okay, question answer, answer is a question. Question is answer, answer is a question type. It is reverse side also there. Okay. Empty directory, a directory does not contain anything. mkdir. So for example, data 5. I created directory, data 5, nothing is there, and I deleted it. Okay. Delete or remove data 5 directory if it is empty empty. rmdir cannot delete. Okay, so rm, for example, I have a directory rm hyphen rf or r or rf. R is enough. Data 4. What is the use of this command? Remove or delete directory with content. Directory having a content. Directory which is having a content, we can use this one. Rm space hyphen r data 4. Okay. Delete data 4 directory which contains data, contains DARs and files. Okay. So this is a removing directories. Yeah, ls command is there, guys. Already you know ls space hyphen l long list. Okay, very important. And ls space hyphen l is equivalent to ll. Okay, you can use ll also. ls space hyphen ld is for on directories. I'm not writing the description, just you have to check with the description. Hyphen a hidden files. Okay, list all include hidden files and directories. Okay, ls space hyphen capital R, it's like a tree command. Okay, recursive ls space hyphen il or I means inode. Already I explained inode. Okay, with inode. ls means files with a inode, like ls space hyphen or reverse order or ls lr. Okay, ls space hyphen lt, ls space hyphen ltr. Okay, based on a date and time. Okay, which is reverse. Okay, it's also reverse order. Okay, reverse order. ls space hyphen z source se line x content. Okay, anything missing? If you have anything missing, please add it. Okay, LDDI inode with inode value LR IL also you can use it IL. Okay, ls space hyphen h k sizes to find a size also, size wise also you can able to check it. Okay, that's the thing. So that is end of 7th, 8th. Yeah, we discussed about guys file system hierarchy also. Compulsory file system hierarchy. Okay, Linux architecture. I am talking about theory questions. This is only commands. Okay, I'm talking about the theory questions also. What is Linux? That is the first question. Who invented Linux kind of stuff. Next one is Linux architecture. Architecture means kernel shell diagram. Next, compulsory question. What is kernel and shell? Okay, so what is the kernel and shell? Next is, this is file system hierarchy. File system hierarchy. That is another one. Next one is bootable files. Okay, bootable files or a bootloader. Linux bootloader is nothing but a grub. Current version is grub2. Grub and grub2 both are there. Linux in, Linux out. LILO. We should be putting this thing in cap letters. Okay, that is another important question. Okay, run levels. They may ask. So it is we seen. Yeah. You can go to /etc/inittab. So this will give you, if you are in a EL6, it means any enterprise Linux Red Hat 6, in a Red Hat 6, okay, version or below, you'll get, you go to this thing and you will find your run level table. Okay, it is a boot level. So your boot level, it will be low, like a boot level like that, run level, you can say. Okay, whatever it is, I will say, guys. There are two commands are there. Init 0. In this one, there is a column that you can able to show like this. Init 0 means halt. It is like a shutdown. This is nothing but a command. Init 1, init 2, init 3, init 4, init 5. One more is there, init 6. Init 6 is also a command for reboot. Okay, this is also command. Remaining are not commands. Okay, there are levels in this file. We specify what level you do it, so you can change based on the level. You'll get it. Usually, one we use it for troubleshooting, like a resetting root password purpose. One we use it for resetting or a resetting root password kind of stuff, troubleshooting related one. And generally, it is a single user mode. Linux is multi-user mode, right? So this is a single user mode. This is a multi-user mode without NFS. It means without networking. By default, it is showing. Okay, network file system, but network. This is a full mode, multi-user mode with NFS. So either you use 3 or 5 only. 3 or 5 only. Multi-user mode with UI means X Windows system. X Windows system, X system or X11. These are all representing multi-user mode with GUI. So we installed Linux. So this is GUI mode, and I usually use Linux without GUI. Okay, so that is a minimal version. I use it in this mode. This is nothing is there. Okay, normally people said user defined. Okay? It is just an option. That's it. The 4 is not used. But these are the commands for rebooting. Recently, people are asking, how do you power off or a shutdown? Okay, shutdown command also works. The command is you can use power off or you can use init 0 in a root level. Okay, must you use the root command. Okay. Next, for a reboot, how to reboot Linux. Okay. How to reboot or a restart. How to restart. So that is command is reboot. You know, when I am in one organization, so we have a faculty training is there. So initially, when we are using 6 that time, 6 and 5, 6, 4, you know, so it is a compulsory. Compulsory they're asking run levels. Compulsory they are asking run level 0, run level 1, run level 2. Okay, compulsory they are asking. So what we are we have been compulsory we have to remember, and we have to practice, like you have to shut down like this only, you have to reboot like this only. One day we are I'm doing that one on a PC. One guy is asking me, after all these years you learn only init 0 and init 6 only. And I got an angry. I stopped using these things. I started using these things only. so because of that answer, usually we have to recollect it, these things. Okay, guys, these are the run levels. The run levels mentioned in a init tab. Okay, now we are using 7. The 7 does not have a init kind of function. Folder is same and specification is same only. In the init tab, if I specified number 3, so my system will boot. Okay, next time when I start my PC, it boot like a multi-user mode with NFS. I removed a 3, I put a 1. In init tab, I removed a 3 and I put a 1. So I restart my computer, it boot like a single user mode. Okay. If I put a init 6, instead of 1, I put a 6. Or instead of 3, I put a 6. It keep reboots. It system started and reboot, keep rebooting it over. So this is not for a configuration purpose. These two are for a command purpose only. And 4 we don't use it. 0 we don't use it. 6 we want to use it for a configuration. And also 4 we don't use it for a configuration. 4 is not thing is there. 1, 2, 3, 5. You want a X Windows system. By generally you have to install a genome desktop and environment. So then only it will work. But it is 5 represent GUI, 3 represent CLI. Okay, so without these are all CLIs only. Okay, CLI window. This is also CLI. Also CLI. Okay, the best one is this one. Only CLI, no GUI. Okay, so these are the kernel mode kind of stuff, kernel management kind of stuff is also comes there only. Okay. Next, this is also important, guys. File system hierarchy. I'm not putting there, so compulsory go through once. File system. Okay. Okay. exprbc, that is nothing command. Expr expression. Already I told man and man expr. Then you know how to use that one. So expr, use it to do arithmetic and logical operations in a script writing. So we use this expr mainly in shell scripting. Use it in a shell scripting. So like this, expr, okay, 20 minus 30. Yeah, don't give the minus don't forget the spaces, compulsory spaces are required. 30 slash star t, it has become a 90. Expr 40 by something 26. Okay, so these are the main expression. The next one is BC. BC is nothing but a basic calculator. Okay, so just simply put a BC, then enter, then you can do all the maths as per your requirement. It is directly functions, and also you can use scale to represents to decimal. Okay, like this. This is the BC, so you can also do that one. And already I told, so Windows and Linux differences is another big question, that is also very big question, that is Linux, Windows and Linux differences. Linux and Unix differences. Sorry guys. Yeah, we started with less, cat more. Yeah, I spent a lot of time in morning only. I have a plan differently, but cat easy to read a file. What is the use of less? Less also use it to read file top to bottom and bottom to top also you can get it, okay, by using up arrow, down arrow, page up, page down. Enter for a line by line down, okay. Space bar is page by page down only, up arrow and down arrow, okay. And so you can able to search the text like a less -etc slash pass wd is a simple file. You can use up and down arrow also, but you want to search something, so you can just press the slash, search the keyword. So like I want to search for a bash. This is for search line with bash keyword. Okay, so like this is the possible. Next one is more having a less, also use it to read file, rescue or quit from less. More is to read the file. Okay, so only down. Only top to bottom and no bottom to top. Remember that one. Okay. Yes, this is used for search due to quit or automatically quit once we reach the end of file. So this is about a plus and more. Yeah, everybody again silent. So yeah, guys, head command. What is the use of head command? Please tell me.
Display first 10 lines, sir.
First
Displays first 10 lines. Very good. Okay, so command is head slash etc dash pass wd. If you put a head space -4 slash etc slash pass wd, what it will shows?
4 lines.
First line.
First 4 lines. Head space sorry, 20. Displays first 20 lines. Very good. Next command. By default, 10 lines. Okay, don't forget. Tail. Display.
Last 10 lines.
Very good. Last 10 lines by default. Okay. So this is also like displays first 10 lines. Right. That's why I'm giving. You must know how to work on all these things. Okay. It means last 10 lines. Last 5 lines. 15, for example. Last 15 lines. Okay, like that. Last line. You want to display a last line in the file. What is the command? Last line. What is the command for displaying last line? Last line is -1. Next is WC. What is WC?
Word counter.
Word count. Okay. So it counts. Okay. It counts number of lines, number of words, and the number of
Character and bytes.
character or a byte.
Bytes.
Byte means size. Okay. Very good. So WC is /etc/pass WD. So it will display a number of lines like that. So we have to check the output. If you want only lines,
Hyphen and
you want only words.
W. Double.
Hyphen L option for only lines. Only words. Byte count. Actually, hyphen C means byte count. Also, you can say it is number of characters. Okay. So this is actually I will tell pipe here only, but last time we jumped it. Okay. Yeah, I told about DU also. Okay, very good. So DU means finding a size of the file, size on disk. The meaning is actually size on the disk. Actually, it will give you size of file or a directory. Total size it will come. So use space hyphen H, human readable. Human what happening? Human readable. Okay. What is human readable? So in a means in MBs. So data is in MBs, GBs, KBs. Data is in which format it is. It shows like that only. I have a data. It is 2000 kilobytes. 2000 kilobytes. So that is K. Like a DU space hyphen K. It means in a kilobytes only. In a kilobytes only. Okay. I have same data. If I put like this, it shows in a bytes only. Okay. But H means it understand like instead of like a 2000 kilobytes, 10,000 kilobytes, 20,000 kilobytes. So you don't understand what is 20,000 kilobytes. It converts into MB. It displays in the MB format only. It displays in the MB format only. So that is the DU command. So next, I want to tell about a pipe. What is this? Pipe. Okay. Piping, pipe. Don't get doubt. Like last time, someone asked a question, what is piping? Without giving a full text. Okay. So piping or pipe in the Linux is like this. CMD command 1, pipe command 2. Meaning is CMD means command 1 output
given to the command to input.
Yes, very good. Given to command to input. Okay. Or you can say different sentences you can form it. Okay. Command to input is command 1 output. Same one, same thing. Command to input is command 1 output. Okay. Like this also you can see. Command 1 okay. Well, that is enough. Maybe you understand. Okay. So like this. For example, I given a command like this. So how to say like this? ls space hyphen L. So ls. So what is the ls command? ls display the current directory content. ls space pipe wc hyphen L. It displays number of files and directories in my current directory. Number of files and directories. Okay, so you can try that one. Okay, so head. No. Why head is required? Any piping. Piping is very simple, right? So input and output. Yeah, we can find slash hyphen name pass wd. We use it, right? Find command also. We used it earlier, not in this text page. Okay, not in this text page, but we used it earlier. That is this earlier. Okay, so like I put a so number of lines contains like this. Yeah, okay, like this. Grep also we can do it. So grep also you can do it, right? I can use. I want to show you one command. So the command is like ls space hyphen l or ls t lf1. You know what happened? Put a cat lf1. You know what happened? Whatever the output of this command is stored in this file. Output of CMD1 store in we'll put a normal one, CMD1. T is a command. T is a command. Okay, this is the file. File one. Store in a file one. Okay. For example, head hyphen 5 slash etc slash pass wd. T first file lines, right? In stores in a P5 file. Okay, P file 5. That's my file name. Output of this first file lines it will display. Those file lines stores here because of the T command. So try this one. So I think I didn't done that one. So just try T command also. Okay, now I told now. So like this. Usually, if you are in offline classes, very less only I will test my system. Very less only I will test my system. Okay. Mostly I will put all the commands in a board. People will execute. It is very easiest to learn. Okay. Yeah. I'm skipping little order. I'm going to
VI editor.
You want VA editor? VA editor with options I didn't tell. So then we'll go to VA editor. But so I'll complete by order only. So ln for link files and directories purpose only, and ln there is a hard link and soft link. This is another very important one. Okay. All are important one. Only important only I'm teaching. Okay. Hard link and soft link. Already we discussed about hard link and soft link. Again, if I told, it is become a very big time. Oh, what happened? Oh, is also very good. Okay, hard link and soft link. Okay, so like a ln, I create a original file. Original file is my O file one. Okay, so ln o file 1 h file 1, that is example I'm taking. Okay, right? So h file 1 is hard link file to o file 1. This is a original file. ln space hyphen s o file 1 s file 1. Okay, s file 1 is uplink file to o file 1. Right, this is the way you can create a hard link. How to create a hard link? This is the command. How to create a soft link? This is the command. Okay. Differences are there, guys. The difference between hard link and soft link is compulsory. Compulsory. This is there. So if you delete a original file, soft link file is invalid. Original file increases, so hard link file also size increases, but soft link file shows same only. So like this only it will shows. Hard link is like a duplicate file, soft link is like a shortcut. If you delete original file, hard link file will be remains, soft link file will be become invalid. Okay, so inode value of hard link and original file is same and soft link file is different. And also last time I explained the inode value. This is also compulsory, guys. Inode value means every file and directory in your Linux system has information, their information. Every file and directory's information stores in inode table. Okay, so ls space hyphen I shows the inode table number. In the inode table contains user ID, group ID, means username, group name, like that. Okay, user ID, group ID, and there is a permissions, read, write, execute permissions. Okay, any access permissions, size of the file, last modifications, link counters. Okay, data block, num IDs or numbers. So where the data is stored of the file, it will be information is there. So that is a link file. Hard link and soft link. Anybody having still doubt in the hard link and soft link? Not about now, just I told just same thing. Okay, because the time will kill entirely. Today afternoon of day is completely we are giving to hard link and soft link. So compulsory go to this one which is I given earlier. How to do practical also, just you can try. So I just copy pasted that one only. Practically how to verify things, compulsory, you should do it. Okay. So once you, this is just a command, syntax purpose only I'm giving. Okay. All remaining compulsory, you should know it. Guys, anybody having doubts in a link, also please check it once more. Okay. So what do you guys do? So I will continue same thing in the next one also after break also, because even I myself I'm speaking and you are also listening from last 1 hour in almost. So no problem, guys. Even though we miss something in the Linux, but these are very important. If you forget, then that is a very big problem. Okay or not okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So theory, I'm not repeating. If you want, I will repeat. Okay. So take a break for 10 minutes. We'll continue the revision session after break also. So once you are confident in what is completed, what you know, that is very important. Okay. Just take 10 minutes break only. So I'm not taking much time.